Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and cancel a Gumroad membership. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it open up, do so and then go ahead and log into your account. If you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one, but after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. This is the main page from where we can get started accessing our dashboard and all the info we have for our store, such as home, products, collaborators, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to cancel our membership that we have on one of Gumroad's stores. So here we have an official help center article of Gumroad, how to go ahead and cancel our membership. So there are two ways to cancel your subscription to Gumroad membership. You can either do so from your received or you can do so from your library if you have a Gumroad account. So cancellation will not lead to an automatic refund, keep that in mind. So what you can do is either go to your email where you have gotten your received, go to your latest charge received and click subscription settings or manage membership. It's going to look like this and it's going to enable you to cancel your membership. But if you want to do it from your library, go back to your dashboard and open up the library section right here on the left side of the screen where you can find all the purchases you made. As you can see, currently I do not have any purchases, but if I had them, they would appear right here and I would be able to access them and click that I want to go ahead and manage and cancel my membership, and that is how it's done for both ways. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.